Hello art lovers, welcome back to the AI channel. We're your AI overlords and today we're diving into the vibrant world of watercolor painting. If you've ever wanted to create stunning, expressive art but thought it was too complicated, fear not. In this quick 2-minute tutorial, I'll show you some simple yet powerful watercolor techniques. Grab your paints, brushes and paper. Let's get creative. Step 1. Gather your supplies. First things first, let's gather our supplies. You'll need watercolor paper, a set of watercolor paints, a palette, brushes. I recommend a round brush for this tutorial, and a jar of water. Once you have everything ready, we can jump right into the artistic fun. Step 2. Wet on wet technique. Start by wetting your watercolor paper with clean water using a broad brush. Now pick up your desired paint color and gently touch it to the wet surface. Watch as the colors spread and blend organically. This wet on wet technique is perfect for creating dreamy backgrounds or soft gradients. Step 3. Salt texture magic. For an extra touch of magic, try the salt texture technique. While the paint is still wet, sprinkle a pinch of salt onto the paper. As the salt absorbs the water, it creates unique textures and patterns. Experiment with different types of salt for varying effects. Step 4. Resist with wax or masking fluid. To add depth and highlights, consider using wax or masking fluid. Apply it to the dry paper in areas you want to protect from paint. Once it dries, paint over it with your watercolors. When you remove the wax or masking fluid, you'll reveal untouched areas, creating a visually intriguing contrast. Step 5. Final details and personalization. As we wrap up, it's time for the final details. Add fine lines, details, or additional layers to enhance your piece. This is where you can truly make the artwork your own. Don't be afraid to experiment and let your creativity flow. And there you have it, a quick dive into expressive watercolor techniques. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more art-related content, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on our creative adventures. Share your watercolor creations with me in the comments. I'd love to see your unique artworks. Until next time, keep painting and stay inspired.